Have you ever visited a doctor and didn't know how to explain your health problem in English? Do you feel nervous speaking English in hospitals? Don't worry. In today's video, you will learn how to confidently explain your problem to a doctor in clear and simple English. Watch till the end and practice with me. Let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English speaking practice channel. Today's topic is very important for daily life. We are going to learn how to explain your health problem to a doctor in English. This lesson will help you speak confidently in hospitals, describe pain clearly, answer doctors' questions properly, and improve your spoken English. So sit comfortably and repeat after me. Part 1. Starting the conversation. When you enter the doctor's room, you can say, "Good morning, doctor." "Good afternoon, doctor." If the doctor asks, "What brings you here today?" you can say, "I have not been feeling well for the past few days. I am here because I have been feeling sick. I would like to consult you about my health problem." Practice this sentence. I have not been feeling well for the past few days. Part 2. Explaining your symptoms. Now let's talk about symptoms. Instead of saying, "I am sick," be specific. You can say, "I have a fever. I have a headache. I have a sore throat. I am feeling weak. I have been coughing continuously. I have stomach pain." Example sentence. I have had a fever since yesterday. Repeat after me. Part 3. Talking about time. The doctor may ask, "Since when are you feeling this way?" You can answer, "Since yesterday. For 2 days. For about a week. It started last night." Days. Practice it confidently. Part 4. Describing pain clearly. It is important to describe your pain clearly. You can talk about location. The pain is in my chest. I feel pain in my lower back. My throat hurts when I swallow. Type of pain. It is a sharp pain. It is a dull pain. It feels like burning. It comes and goes. It is constant. Example. I have a sharp pain in my stomach and it gets worse after eating. Repeat slowly and clearly. Part 5. Answering doctor's questions. The doctor may ask, "Are you taking any medicine? Do you have any allergies? Do you have any previous medical history?" You can answer, "No, I am not taking any medicine." "Yes, I am taking medicine for cold. I do not have any allergies. I have a history of high blood pressure." Speak calmly and clearly. Part 6. Full conversation. Practice. Now let's practice a full conversation. Doctor, what brings you here today? I have been feeling unwell for the past 3 days. Doctor, what are your symptoms? I have a fever and a severe headache. Doctor, since when? Since Monday evening. Doctor, is the pain constant? Yes, it is constant and gets worse at night. Doctor, are you taking any medicine? No, I am not taking any medicine yet. Very good. Practice this conversation loudly. Do not feel shy in front of a doctor. Health is important. Speak slowly. Use simple sentences. Be clear and honest. Confidence comes with practice. Today you learned how to explain your problem to a doctor in English. Practice this daily. Speak in front of a mirror. Record your voice. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more English speaking practice lessons. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. Keep improving.